When you see the pencil today, I want you to follow along in your math journal. Make sure that you use your math genius brain. Johnson Elementary first graders, Miss Gansko here for another day of Number Corner. Let's start off with our date. It is a wonderful Wednesday today. Today is Wednesday, April 15th, 2020. Let's say that one more time together. Today is Wednesday, April 15th, 2020. Now we have had many shapes and some shapes with no line of symmetry and some shapes with a line of symmetry, making it symmetrical. I want you to look over here over at some of our patterns. I'm going to put our crayon up there so we can see the lines of symmetry that we've had. Remember, if we had two lines of symmetry, that means that it folded into at least 4 equal parts. If there was only one line, it folded into 2 equal parts. And remember, if there was more than 2 lines, like here we had on the 13th, we had a dodecagon and there was many lines of symmetry there. I want you to think, what do you think is going to be under our card for today? For the 15th of April. I will write the date in while you guys think of what type of shape is it, how many folds into for equal parts, and is it symmetrical? All right, you got it there? Whisper it to me. All right, my first grade friends, let's hear that drum roll here, and let's turn it over. Ooh, today we have, it is a shape, but it is a shape in the letter of S here, our letter S. Now, thinking of our letter, I will write in the letter S. Can we fold this for having equal parts? Let's try bottom to top. So if I fold bottom to top, kind of get some craziness going on there. Do we have where they would match? Nope, I do not see two congruent parts. Same size, same shape. Okay, so let's try this way. We had, nope, I'm still not seeing it. That kind of looks like an M there, but I am not seeing a line of symmetry, or it folded into 2 equal shapes. So we are going to put an X on. There was 0 for our letter S, and knowing that if there was no folds for equal parts, our shape, our letter S is, does not have any lines of symmetry, so it is not symmetrical. Not symmetrical there. All right, was your guess right? I think some of us were on if they were symmetrical or not. We're seeing a lot of patterns here. Yes, yes, no, yes, yes, no. And then here we always have at least for 2, no, at least for 2, no, at least for 2, no. Kind of goes back and forth. All right, okay, over to how many days we've been in school. Looking at our chart here, if it is all filled up, what does that say? Oh yes, it does say 100. If you thought that too, say me too, me too. We can count by 25s here for the smaller squares within our larger 100 square. 25, 50, 75, 100. And I can continue on with my columns of 10. 110, 120, 130, 140, counting by ones, 141, 142, 143, and we need to add one for today. Scoot this over where I can find to make sure. And adding today, we have 144 days in school. And over to our days in school chart, we need to change our 143 to 144. So let's go ahead and erase the 3 in the ones place and change it to a 4. Looking over here at our drawing, we have our group of 10 tens for 100. We have 4 tens for 40 and 3 ones. That would make 143. What do I need to change here? Go ahead and draw it on your piece of paper. Nice job. We need to enter in another small block to make it 4 for 144. Looking over at our expanded notation of our 100 for a group of 100, 40 for our 4 tens, and 3. We had our 3. What do we need to change to make it to equal or the same as 144? That's right, boys and girls. We need to change the 3 to a 4. If you thought that too, say me too, me too. Nice job. Let's go ahead and delete. Plus 4 equals or the same as 144. Well done. Now we need to look at our subtraction. We need to go and look at our grid here. And remember, if we fill in this whole entire column, that would equal 150. Looking at the difference between 144 and 150, how many blocks do we have as our difference? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have a difference of 6. We would need to take away 6 to equal that 144. Take away 6 is the same as 144. All right, now on your piece of paper at home, I want you to make sure to create an equation that equals 144 that is different than mine. Can you come up with some crazy equations to share with your teacher? Looking over at our popsicle sticks data collection sheet, we have collected 8. Let's count our tallies. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Close the door for 5, 6, 7, 8. And our popsicle sticks, let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We need to spin to add for today. Let's spin, drum roll, and we are adding 5. So we had 8. We're going to add on 5. Let's write our addition sentence here. Let's change our color. Let's make it red. So we have 8, and we are going to add 5 more for today's spin. So 8 plus 5. Let's add on our 5 popsicle sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we count them up all together, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We can also start at the number 8. We pound it for 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 popsicle sticks. So looking here, we need to add to our tallies. Let's make sure that we are back to our blue. We're going to add on 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now here, boys and girls, if you look, I'm going to circle these two groups of 5. 2 groups of 5 make 10. So we can actually trade our popsicle sticks, our group of 10, here. So we are going to take away 10 of them and trade them with a group of 10. So count with me. We're going to delete them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10, and we're bringing in our bundle for here. So 10 and 3 more, 10, 11, 12, 13. Let's bring back our writing. So here we have 8 plus 5. It does equal 13. But what is another way we can make 13 by our new 10 bundle and 3 more? Ooh, I heard somebody say it. They said, Miss Gansko, 10 plus 3. 10 plus 3, we're going to put that in red. 10 plus 3 equals 13. So we have collected 13 popsicle sticks today. Make sure to include your number sentence for 144 days of school. And I would love to see your collection chart on your piece of paper to show your teachers. And I will see you for tomorrow's number corner on Thursday. Bye, first grade.